Xiaomi has recently unveiled its brand new 15T series. And today we'll be taking a closer look at the Xiaomi 15T Pro. Starting with the build. The phone features a sleek glass front paired with a glass fiber back, giving it a premium and modern look. This phone weighs around 210 grams, striking a balance between sturdiness and comfort in hand. In terms of dimensions, it measures 162 millimeters in length, 77.9 millimeters in width, and just 8 millimeters in thickness, making it slim yet solid. On the display side, the 15T Pro comes with a stunning AMOLED panel, delivering rich colors and excellent clarity. This phone also comes with a 3,840 Hz refresh rate, ensuring an exceptionally smooth and responsive touch experience. Combined with 3,200 nits of peak brightness, this screen performs beautifully even under direct sunlight. For software, it runs on HyperOS 2, built over Android 15, offering a smooth, powerful, and highly optimized user experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, a flagship processor designed to handle demanding tasks with ease. As for memory, it offers up to 1 terabyte of extendable storage paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM, providing more than enough space and speed for any user. Now let's talk about the cameras. The 15T Pro features a triple lens setup on the back, with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 32-megapixel front camera for sharp selfies. These are some pictures captured by this phone. The in-screen fingerprint sensor adds convenience without compromising design. When it comes to power, the phone houses a 5,500 mAh battery that supports 90-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. On performance benchmarks, it scores well over 1.6 million on Antutu. That was our detailed look at the Xiaomi 15T Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video.